I'm not going to talk to my friend. I will not visit that place again. This person is intolerable. I will not put any efforts as no one appreciates me. I'm going to leave this job. All these sentences are familiar because either you said or you heard in your surroundings. I will explain in detail that why did I pick up these, but before that, subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get my each new video. We make hundreds of decisions in a day in different situations, like what to eat, where to go, what to wear, like what to eat, where to go, and what to do. This is a simple thing to decide, but if you have to make or you have to take big or complex decisions like career, marriage, business, and serious decisions for your children or for yourself, some of your decisions will be so routine that you make them without giving them much thoughts. But difficult or challenging decisions demand more and more consideration. Decision making can be easy if you take care of some of the things like consequences. Sometimes we take advice from others which can be affected on the results. For example, in the selection of subjects, you seek help from your teachers and parents. Career guidelines you take from experts or successful people. Business decisions are taken on the current situations, and marriage decisions are taken according to the cultural values or practices. This is good thing that you are advised by experienced people, but always remember that come what may, the results are no one is going to accept. Like if you are failed, no one will take responsibility of that decision. But if you are succeeded, everyone is interested to take that credit. Sometimes uncertain things become big obstacles in decision making. It could be risky as well to take any step or to make any choice. There is no authentic formula for decision making except some steps to follow it if you are making any decision for a long period. For example, number 1, always take time to make decisions which is going to have a long-lasting impact in your life. It could be studies, business, relationships, or job. Never make hasty decisions. Such decisions usually come up with regrets. Number 2, keep your heart and emotions aside while you decide something. Your approach should be realistic. Emotional decisions never allows to move in the right direction. So use brain instead of heart. Number 3, before deciding anything, keep an eye on consequences and impact of that particular thing. Usually you become confused in making choices. The best way is to evaluate the circumstances before making any decision. This is the little thing and complicated, but practically quite approachable. We all are blessed with divine wisdom, so use that power that can guide you in right direction. And number 4, Choose the thing or work where your brain and heart can work together. For example, studies, job, and business. There are thousands of people in this world who are struggling with their jobs and work because they don't take right decisions on right time. Their heart is somewhere else and body is working in a different direction, so can't use their full potential. Simple thing is that choose that work which you can enjoy and you can give your 100% to that particular job or relationship. And now number 5. Final thing is that whatever you decide for your life, now stick to that. Forget about external pressure and obstacles. Be determined and ready to bear all kind of challenges. Choices can never be made again and again. So be smart in your decisions and put your whole potential to get the positive results. Sooner your decisions will start bearing fruits. Stay safe and healthy. Bye.